Can a crocodile who is not brave save his friend and become a hero? Read the story and find out. In the swamp on the far side of the forest lives Sniffles, the crocodile. Sniffles was always sweating. Big crocodile tears are going sniff sniff. Even his mom was quite tired of him and would say, "Stop sniveling and crying. Start behaving like a crocodile. Go hunt for your food." Sniffles would burst into tears at the thought of eating another animal, so Mom and Dad had to feed Sniffles every day. Sniffles did not want to be a crocodile. "I am so ugly," he thought. Bursting into tears, he did not even live like crocodiles did. His friend was Punch, a golden yellow butterfly. Punch wanted to be big and strong, so Punch always had a feeler curled into a fist, saying, "Look out, I will punch you in the mouth." They made a very funny pair. Sniffles was swimming with Punch perched on his head. The other crocodiles would laugh and make fun of them. That did not bother Sniffles. He continued crying, sniffling, and being friends with Punch. One sunny afternoon, Punch settled herself near Sniffles' ear and told him, "I have seen two men come this way with guns. They want to kill crocodiles for their skins." "Don't these men have skins of their own?" asked a puzzled Sniffles. "I don't know, Sniffles," said Punch. "Tell the other crocodiles and hide." "Punch, they might shoot you." "Oh, what do I do?" said Sniffles, sobbing. "People catch butterflies with nets and pin them to a bird. My grandaunt told me," said Punch and flew away. The other crocodiles helped Sniffles, crying and shouting, "Men coming to kill us! Hide, hurry, hide!" At first, the other crocodiles did not believe Sniffles, but then they heard the men's footsteps. The crocodiles went deep into the river and left some rotten logs floating on the water. The next day, the crocodiles saw men with nets. The men shot at the logs, which looked like crocodiles from afar. The men could not see crocodiles, only hundreds of butterflies that flew into their faces and hair. Shaking their heads and trying to brush off the butterflies, they said, "There are no crocodiles here. We will bring nets and catch butterflies." And off they went. All the crocodiles got together and thanked Punch and the other butterflies. The next day, the crocodiles saw men with nets. Sniffles remembered Punch telling him about nets. "Punch, the nets! Come here quick! The men with nets have come." All the crocodiles came to the riverbank. The butterflies settled on the heads and backs of the crocodiles. A few of the crocodiles made a circle around the men as they came closer. They snapped their jaws. Sniffles was in the front, gnashing his teeth and whipping his tail around most menacingly. The men were so frightened that they took to their heels and ran right out of the swamp. The other crocodiles were very proud of Sniffles, as he had acted like a real crocodile. Now Sniffles was also proud to be one. Science scan. Crocodiles and alligators look really similar, but they are different animals. Crocodiles are found all over the world, while alligators are only found in the USA and China. A crocodile's snout is pointed and shaped like a V, while an alligator's snout is broader and shaped like an U. Science scan. The series of stages that an animal goes through its life is called its life cycle. The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages: egg, larva or caterpillar, pupa and adult butterfly. Butterflies use their feelers to sense sweet smell in the air. It helps them find flowers from which they suck nectar. Summary. Sniffles the crocodile and Punch the butterfly were friends. Sniffles was not brave and did not like to kill animals and to eat them. Punch wanted to be strong and always kept her feelers curled. One day, Punch informed Sniffles about 2 crocodile skin hunters. Sniffles shouted and cried to warn the other crocodiles. The other crocodiles hid deep in the swamp waters and escaped the hunters. The next day, the 2 men came with nets to catch butterflies. All the crocodiles made a circle around the men and snapped at them menacingly. The men got scared and ran away. Thus, the 2 friends helped each other.